We recently installed Rally Innovation's custom 3-piece splitter in the front of this 2019 GT350. Well, today we're going to continue that look on the sides by installing a set of their custom side splitters. These Rally Innovation side splitters for your GT350 are available exclusively here at CJ Pony Parts. And these are going to fit your 2015 through 2020 GT350, and they also will fit your GT350R, but they will not fit the GT500. These are made of 11-gauge aluminum with a black powder coat finish and are made right here in the USA. They're sold as a pair and include all necessary installation hardware. To begin the installation, you want to get your Shelby up off the ground. Next step, we go to the rockers here. There's going to be plastic clips in each of these openings that we have to remove. The best thing to do is get behind this, sort of pull it down. Then repeat the process for the rest of them. We're just going to give the panel a quick clean while we're underneath here. Okay, now you want to actually grab your Rally Innovation splitter. I'm just going to lay it in place for now. Get an idea. This edge lines up back here. And we're actually going to lower the car down a little bit so we can get a better angle from the top. We'll start back here with the rear. Don't even worry about the front for now. You want to line it up back here. And then about an inch out. Again, this is personal preference, how far out you really go. I'm going to go right about an inch though. Make sure you have it where you want it. Now we're going to mark the hole. Okay, now we'll drill out the hole. And now grab the supplied hardware for the hole we just drilled. Put that up into place and install the washer, and then lock washer, and then finally the nut. Basically what you want to do is get it aligned where you like it. Again, you can pull it out or pull it a little bit. We have it lined up pretty good with the factory piece up front. Now we can mark the other holes. And now we can drill out the holes. You can also look at where you mark your holes. There is texture to smooth down here. As long as the distance looks right, it'll be nice and straight. Now grab your hardware, put it through the holes we just drilled. Leave them all loose for now. Now do the same for the rest of the holes. Now we're going to go back through and tighten them all up. Now the last step is reinstall the push pins. Once you reinstall the push pins, you're going to repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. The Rally Innovation side splitters match that front splitter perfectly, and they really follow the lines of the Shelby nicely. Installation on these is going to be pretty straightforward. Give yourself about an hour and a half to 2 hours and be back on the road in no time.